So this is platform 1 where I am waiting also for my train going to Netanya from Tel Aviv. So my train will be here at 10 minutes from now. So this one is only going to Herzliya, and the one that I'm waiting is for Netanya. So I still have more 10 minutes to wait for the train. This is the train look like here in Israel. I think this one is going to the airport. So we're waiting for the train from in the opposite side going to Netanya. So this is how the train look like here in Israel. I think we only have one color here, it's red. I think all the train that we have here it's red. So that's the last part of the train. I just mentioned that the train that we have here is color red, but now I saw in my 2 eyes that this one is color blue. So it's not just red color of the train that we have here, so we also have a blue one. To where the destination is I don't know exactly, but I think this one is going to the north side of Israel. So this one is color blue. So we have 2 colors here of the train that we have in Israel. So we have the red one and we also have the blue one, this one.